Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we will be looking at the deliveries feature, and specifically for this particular episode, we will be looking at how to schedule deliveries on Keepsales. If you're a business that actively involves in delivery, Keepsales allows you to schedule your deliveries and manage them in one place. So let's have a look at our deliveries feature and how to schedule your deliveries. So you go to the main menu and then you click on transactions and sales and you click on new transaction. You can find new transaction here, you can find new transaction here as well, and then you can also find new transaction on the nav bar. So you can click on either one of them and it will take you to the same place. Okay, so for scheduling your delivery, the first thing you have to do is you have to add customer to the delivery. So you click on this bar, okay, and then there's a drop down. So if you don't have the customer details already, you input the customer name, Joshua, you choose the country, and then the phone number. Okay, it has to be an accurate phone number, and then you enter the person's location. Okay, so you just click on OK. Or if the person is an already existing customer, you just come here and then you select, from the list of customers that you already have. Okay, so let me be sure my number is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, great. So we collapse this. Now we have our customer, okay, is going to this person, Joshua, going to this person, okay, and then you select what the customer is buying, okay. So let's just say the customer is buying a bag, okay, let's just say a wine bag, all right. Now, once you've selected what the customer is buying, you can select as many as you want. Once you've done that, then now you come to this particular button which says to be delivered. Okay, so we click on to be delivered, and then over here it says that we have to plan our schedule. So you click inside this. When is the item supposed to get to the customer? Is it today? Whichever date you can select on the calendar. Okay, so we select this, okay, and then we add it to our delivery list. Okay, so once you receive this message, it tells you that request has been added to your scheduled deliveries. Okay, then it means that your scheduled delivery has been successfully processed. Okay, so in our next video, we'll be looking at what to do after you have been able to schedule your delivery. So do well to join me in our next in that particular video. I'll be waiting for you there. I'll be hopefully meeting you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye. See you in the next video.